Hey everybody, my name is Tom with Premier Concrete Coatings. We install epoxy flooring for residential and commercial businesses and homes. Just wanted to show everybody today what we take in the basements. We get a lot of people asking how we prep a floor in a basement. You can't bring one of these big machines down, but we bring this 18-inch powered by 18-inch diameter floor grinder. It weighs about 200 pounds, but it splits up into two pieces. The chassis comes apart along with the weights and the head. This allows us to safely carry this down into your basement and profile your concrete. It helps increase productivity as far as that we can do, grind up to 3,000 square foot in the basement, no problem in one day. It also promotes profiling because the head weight that we can put on there, it creates these nice scratches, allowing your epoxy to bond very well mechanically to your concrete. As you can see, I put those weights down, adding more of the pressure. What's also nice about this is that it's a planet. It's what we call in the industry a planetary grinder. It has 3 heads in the bottom. How this works, as we sometimes get questions about, is we put these different, what we call diamonds, or they're metals really that are impregnated with diamonds. They come in all sorts of grits and shapes, just like sandpaper if you were sanding wood. I'll show you here. They come in single buttons sometimes, double buttons, but we test your concrete, figure out which diamond is most appropriate for scratching up the concrete, because if you have soft concrete, we need a diamond that's not going to eat away and chew away and take off a lot of your concrete. We just want to have enough to make a profile. Another common question that we get is, some people ask us, how much are you really taking off? Well, like I keep saying, we're only taking enough off to profile the concrete. So that could be like a 16th or an 18th or an 1/8 of an inch. It's nothing crazy, but our vacuums suck up all this dust, and sometimes, we might take 3 or 4 bags of dust out. That's 50-pound bags, so 5 bags, 200 pounds. But anyway, they go on here, this grinder spins around. As such, the whole head spins around, it's a planetary motion of it. And this all hooks up to a vacuum that captures all the dust, so we're creating literally virtually almost no dust in your basement. And that's pretty much it.